Welcome to 50 computer vision applications for Smart City Part 4. Today we will learn some safety and security applications and also how vehicles can communicate with each other to improve traffic flow. 31st application is Intrusion Detection, which is a very classical application for a security system. The goal is to designate a protected area to detect and track all the objects and persons that might enter this area. After object will enter the area, the notification will be sent to security staff. 32nd application, wrong-way driving. When we have a good algorithm of detection and tracking of vehicles, we can learn from observed behavior what is the correct way for the current lane and send notifications about all the vehicles that will drive in another direction. Or we can designate the correct way for each lane manually and then notify about the incidents. 33rd application, pavement and road condition. Our goal is to detect custom objects which are cracks in the pavement. Additionally, we can expand this use case to include classification task, which will make the difference between very different types of problems with our road condition. Early detection of such problems could help city management organize repairment process in more optimal way. 34th application is crack damage detection. We can use computer vision to create an algorithm for visual inspection of concrete structures and also buildings. That algorithm will automatically find cracks in the structure and classify the different level of the danger from those cracks. 35th application, taxi driver camera. This camera could detect face of a driver and a passenger, estimate head position and also the current state of the passenger and the driver. Such state could be drowsy, distracted, hands off and on the wheel, texting on the phone or just losing concentration. This could help protect both driver and passengers and improve overall user experience of taxi clients. 36th application is usage of computer vision for waste recycling. Our goal is to create an algorithm of detection and segmentation of different types of recyclable waste on a conveyor lane. Then we can track those objects and using robotics control sort them into different bins. The productivity of automated sorting systems could be very high and thus making recycling process profitable. 37th application is another enhancement of safety measurements, which is suicide prevention in some public places. So we can install a computer vision system that will try to detect and track pedestrians and try to recognize if their behavior have some suicide features. Those systems could be installed on high buildings and bridges, which is known for this particular type of incidents. This could help special services to react on a new incident much faster and prevent them. 38th application is autonomous driving perception. In every autonomous driving, we have a lot of sensors, cameras, lidars, radars, and we have a vast possibility of different applications ranging from detecting and tracking different types of objects from different sensors, but also a task of sensor fusion, where we try to create one global picture of surrounding world from signals of multiple sensors. 39th application is an enhancement of autonomous driving experience, which is a vehicle-to-vehicle communications. There are a lot of use cases where surrounding view of a particular vehicle is very limited. We might not see a pedestrian that is coming from the corner, or there will be some blind spots during some turns or changing the lane. We can apply computer vision algorithms that could detect potential useful information about the situations and blind spots to be communicated to other vehicles. 40th application is a pivot from the vehicle-to-vehicle communications, where we have infrastructure-to-vehicle communication. The goal is that surrounding buildings, smart traffic lights could help both autonomous and normal drivers to detect different situations. We can take an example of a crossroad and analyze the pedestrian vehicle conflicts. We can imagine a solution for that problem when static CCTV camera and smart traffic lights could communicate to a vehicle or to autonomous vehicle some information about the pedestrian crossing. That would also help increase safety and the traffic flow in the city. To see other applications from this series, please check out this playlist. If you have any questions about any use case of computer vision, you can drop the comment down below or contact me through the social media, and we will see you in the next series.